In this video I want to share about DYMO LabelWriter 550 Turbo Label Printer Bundle, label maker with direct thermal printing, automatic label recognition. Why you must have it. LabelWriter 550 Turbo printers are carefully calibrated to only work with DYMO branded labels, saving you time, money and effort. Using patented, automatic label recognition technology, this printer optimizes the alignment of DYMO branded labels, ensuring jam-free printing. This printer uses automatic label recognition of DYMO branded labels to automatically identify and display label size, type, and remaining quantity, which reduces misprints, print defects and label waste. Optimized direct thermal printing technology adjusts to the loaded DYMO branded label to ensure high-quality barcodes, QR codes, images, and text. Do you want to get this product? You can get best price and discount for this item by link in description. Thanks for watching.